This collage that you see at the top of the page is made up of a whole pile of different animals that I painted on our world tour. My wife and I and my son traveled around the world and went to like 35 different countries. And one of the countries that we did get to was Africa. And so we got to see a lot of these animals in the wild. Unbelievable experience. But it also showed me the pride and how an animal looks in the wild, which is totally different than an animal in the zoo. But I don't want to get into a political debate about animals being in cages and all those other things. That's not the goal of this statement. The goal of this statement is that you have to try to create and capture the animal's personality or the animal's the way they carry themselves. And so if you take a look at my image of an owl and the way I created the owl, I tried to get that feeling that an owl has when it sits on the branch and how it seems to be so majestic. Take a look at my picture of my eagle and how the head is sort of pulled back just a little bit, and the way that head is situated makes that the pride of that eagle, or the courage as is shown, and the same thing with the falcon, and the same thing with the tiger's face and the lion's face and the little panda, which is that little red-faced little red panda. It's the cutest little animal in the world, and it seems to be such a little character, and it seems to play and have this personality that I tried to capture in the piece of art. And it's one of the things that you have to make sure that you try to do in your art, is capture a personality or capture a feeling. Even if it's a landscape, there should be a feeling that art in general should make people feel something when they look at it. And if you can do that, then you've achieved